Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can go live on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how you can go live on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click this homepage icon on the bottom left corner so that it takes you to your homepage. Then you have to tap on the what's on your mind on the top of the page. Here you have multiple possibilities. You can make posts, you can tag people, you can tell people how you are feeling recently, and if you scroll down you also see this live video option, and if you want to start a live you have to click that. So if you haven't already given access to Facebook to your camera and microphone, then Facebook is going to ask for access. You're going to click OK, and then here you are at your live starting page. You are not yet live on Facebook. You can have different options. You can turn your microphone on and off. You can switch to the front camera by clicking this icon. Then you can switch back. Then you can also use your flash by clicking this icon here. And you also have multiple filters. You can search through them and click the one you would like to use if you want to use one. Then if you click on these three lines on the bottom right corner, you can also add a description and text your post. You can check in. You can bring a friend into your live. You can reduce your background noise and enhance your own voice. You can also choose to share your live on your story by switching this on. And then you just have to click go live and you are basically now live. Alright, so all in all, this is how you go live on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.